다가 년자 전개 더 지구로에 any European treasury 다가 존진 차당 엔다 테미나마 텐제 상원을 쉬야리아 따뜻해 양자 비자야 고급다 가면샤 고shum바디 하장게다 쓰지다 가오쇼숑 투체쇼인 No, wait. No Tibetan, only English.
Your Excellency, President Pottering, honorable members of the Parliament, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor to speak before you today, and I thank you for your invitation.
One time, a previous meeting, I read Tibetan and then read English translation. So at that time, I felt waste of time. So now today, my written statement already circulated. So I'm not going to repeat that. In fact, some word I cannot pronounce properly. So better not to read. The main points I already mentioned in my as a written statement, and I don't want to repeat these things. And indeed, I am just one human being out of 6 billion human beings. I am one of them. On that level, I believe every human being wants happy life, successful life, and everyone, no matter what sort of color, what nationality, what religious faith, what social status, all have the right to have happy life, successful life. And then, as a human being, I believe, and also our last several years, many my friends agree with my sort of feeling or my view. In the modern time, with too much emphasis, importance of material value, we somehow neglected about our inner value. That's why, in spite materially highly developed, but still a lot of people, even billionaire, very rich, but as a person, unhappy person, I noticed. So, one of the most important factors for happiness or joyfulness is very much related with peace of mind, calm mind. Too much stress, too much suspicion, and too much ambition and greed. Also, I think one factor to destroy our inner peace. So therefore, in order to achieve happy life, there is no point to neglect about our inner value. These inner value, not necessarily to bring from religious sort of teaching But I feel biological factor, we already equipped warm-heartedness or sense of responsibility, sense of community, biological factor there, because we are a social animal. So that I usually call secular ethics, a basis of our happy life or inner peace. So that also, the way to promote that, generally, I'm emphasizing through secular ways, through secular method. That means use our common sense and common experience and the latest scientific findings. Even our physical well-being, peace of mind is very, very essential. Now, my sort of small experience recently, I went through surgery, gallbladder, remove gallbladder. So actually, unlike my previous visit here, same face, but one organ now missing. But okay, seems okay, quite fit. So you see, during surgery and also after surgery, quite serious sort of complication. Usually, you see, this kind of remove the gallbladder, you see, take 15-20 minutes. But in my case, 3 hours because of complication. But however, after the surgery, within 1 week, fully recover. So then the doctor also is a little bit surprised. So then I told them, oh, I have nothing special. No miracle power, no sort of healing power. If I have miracle power or healing power, the first place, I will not surgery. The very sort of, because of the fact, go through surgery means I have no such miracle power, isn't it? But I think it's a peace of mind. I think really one factor for speeded recovery.